All right, so this LARQ water bottle was sent to me to try out, and now that I got a chance to play around with it, I can tell you a little bit more about it. So this is a 23-ounce water bottle, and it has a two-step on making sure your water is clean and tastes good. So it does have a UVC light in it, and I had to do some research on it to find out a little bit more. So UVC light has years of science-backed research that helps basically break down the DNA of bacteria so it keeps them from multiplying. It works best with clear water, not like muddy, full of sediments type of water. So that's one way that this helps keep your water clean and keeps from bacteria from building up in your water bottle. And so that light is up here. The light goes off every 2 hours in here. All right, so in here it does have this filter. So this can last you a while. So what's cool about it is in your app that this comes with, it will track when you install it in there and when it's time to replace it. So when you first get this is wrapped up. You will run this through a water faucet for 10 seconds. When you install it, this side where it's open will go in here. Then you'll take the bottom piece, and it does have the arrows on here, and you'll just line it up to where it's locked. And that's all you have to do for that to filter out basically things that are tiny particles, sediments, chlorine, that kind of things will filter this through when you're drinking it through the straw. So that's the two ways that it does the cleaning. And so you'll just put your straw back in here. Like I said, this water bottle is insulated. So if you like your water to be cold, it will basically keep it cold for up to 24 hours. I like that this design right here can fit in the cup holder in my car. So one thing I was wondering about was how do you clean this? So it's kind of designed to self-clean. However, you still use this part to basically drink out of and your mouth touches it. So you do want to rinse the bottle and the straw, which you can take apart, and also the underside of this in here. You want to clean it with water and also soap on a regular basis. Now this does have the charging port right here, so you don't want to submerge the top in water. You want to make sure you either try to avoid it or just clean the outside with a paper towel and maybe a little bit of soap and water, and then wipe it again with just like a water with a paper towel. If you do get it wet, usually you can just dry it as well as you could, set it on the countertop, let it air dry. Don't plug it up and charge it is what I would suggest. I've never gotten it wet, so I just got it, and so I've never tried that, but that's what I would do. This also comes with a handle, so that I thought this was really cool. If you don't want the handle, then you don't have to have it, but you just slip it on and it clips on there. So with all the cool stuff that it already has, it also has an app that tracks your water, but also tracks when to replace your filter. So I was wondering, how does it actually track the water? If I'm drinking it through the straw, or do I have to tip it for the sensor to know that I'm drinking? So once you fill this up, you'll set it on a flat surface and it will take into account how much water is in there. And so when you're drinking it throughout the day, it's basically looking to see how much water is in your bottle and what's left, and it will track basically that. So if you're taking small sips, it might not necessarily track it right then and there, but eventually it's gonna notice that the water level is going down, and that's how it's tracking it. So I thought that was a pretty cool concept. And it does integrate well with the health tracking app on my phone. So that's the deep dive on this water bottle. I think it's really cool. I love that it helps me keep track of my water intake, and it is a self-cleaning water bottle. If you're looking for a way to track your water intake, increase your water intake, or just for a new cool water bottle, you should definitely check this one out.